Guys, sengicedzile kuphela ama-onion ami, then ngidowajuba. Yo, ngigcine kudala guys kuphela. Okay, ngithenge ne-toothpick. Ikhona, okay. Okay, so wenda abe square kanje. Ngikile nganendela guys lento lena. Okay, ngidonda so guys. Yo, ngidadisika. So, ngidawonda ukuthi abe sidula. But this one is a bit big. Yabo?
Right.
Right.
Khatha kancane.
Yayiko sengidadisika. Correct. Yabo ukuthi akusase right manje.
Lelo ke senina.
But then sisebenzisa toothpick. Okay. Then right ngisho. Okay. So I'm gonna use this option because you're not right. Then I must fry us to sebenzisa toothpick. I used to be a chef. Yes. I used to cook for them, yo. Like, phela shokuthi ufune sewenda 12 ne. Shokuthi ufune abe 24. Abe 24. Angisho phasi nesitulo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can cut the video.